If you want to know how to make public profile on Snapchat under 18, you've come to the right place. So if I'll open my Snapchat and I'll try to create a public profile, you can see that I have this feature right up here. But if you don't, you can fix it through these steps. We need to change some privacy settings and also some information about your account. So we need to click on a right top icon with settings, and then open birthday. So here we need to change our birthday to increase our age. So make it by yourself. After that, we need to scroll down to find privacy controls here, and we need to change a couple of settings. So firstly, we need to open view my story and change it to everyone. It's really important. Then we need to go to contact me and also change it to everyone position, who can contact you directly with snaps, calls, and so on. The next thing we need to do, we need to open a See Me in Quick Add and also turn this function on. It's really important, as in this case, to make profile public. After that, close the Snapchat and open settings. On the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android it may look a little bit different. So we need to scroll down to find Snapchat settings. Open the basically Snapchat page on settings on your mobile device. And here we need to turn on background app refresh. It's really important for getting this feature. And the next thing you need to check, do you have the latest version? So we need to visit App Store or Google Play, because you won't receive this feature if you have old versions on Snapchat. So make sure to update it to the latest version. If you have update or upgrade button, just simply click on it right up here. After that, we are ready to get this feature. So we need to open the Snapchat, open our profile page, and then scroll down to find basically create public profile. If you still don't have this option, you need to wait for a little until all the settings will be updated and you'll receive this feature immediately. So sometimes all you need to do is just to wait. So then just simply click on it, and as you can see, we have a couple of things couple of information. We can click on continue, get started. And if you click on create, by creating a public profile, you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or SnapMap. Any lenses you've made and marked as searchable will also appear on your public profile. So let's click on create. And after that, our profile was automatically created. So this is a way of how to make public profile on Snapchat under 18. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.